So, look, I wanted to share this story with you because I think there's a lot of people out there who have homeowners insurance. And I don't know. I mean, I've been in this industry for 27 years. Like, I've bought and sold a lot of real estate. And I wasn't surprised about the sump pump thing. I mean, the shower, I thought they would cover that. But both of them, I thought, this is something that insurance very well may cover. And I was surprised to hear like an emphatic no on both of them. Now, maybe some of you viewers might think that I should get a second opinion, get a different insurance company. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if there's something else I should pursue here, if you have any thoughts on that. But the reason I want to talk about here on market shares is because all of us that are in real estate or looking to own real estate, you might want to have a conversation with your insurance agent about these types of things and what else might we think is covered that ultimately might not be covered. And I could just imagine a first-time home buyer or someone who is really stretched to their boundaries on purchasing their home and have something like this happen that you would think the only way that I could fix this and repair the home is if I had help from insurance, and just to find out that you're not going to have insurance, or you're going to go all summer without your air conditioning unit working, or all winter without your heater working because something like this happened. So you guys, there isn't much more to this episode than bringing awareness to this. And I do want to have someone who's an insurance expert maybe come on. We can have a conversation. We can talk about my two particular scenarios and if that's normal. But what are other things that homeowners come across with their homeowners insurance that they think might be covered and turns out not to be? And as a real estate professional, as a real estate agent or a mortgage professional, when we have clients that are pushing the boundaries of being able to qualify for a home, these are things that I think that we should be willing to talk about with our clients. Have you thought about a reserve fund set aside for things like this? Because things you think might be covered by insurance might not be. Same thing with home warranties and things like that. They're not going to cover all the things that you think they might cover. So how important is it for a homeowner to have reserves set aside for these types of, situations that might arise through the course of home ownership?